Hello, guys. My name is Rami, and I would like to share my experience and my opinion in stock trading. As a matter of fact, I'm a pretty conservative when it comes to trading because you all know, and every one of you really worked hard for their money, so you really don't want to just dump your money in there and just lose it. So I'm more conservative when it comes to trading, and I will explain to you why. Um I like swing trading. As a matter of fact, I tried all kind of trading, day trading, forex, currency, and all that. Uh, and from this video, I'll explain to you why swing trading is really the most secure and less risky. Uh, well, when you start trading, what I would look at is really the inside of the company first. You want to choose a company that has a good company cap first. Means that company investing enough money, which gonna make sure they're not gonna go out of business easy. Means they have enough advisors, enough consultant in there that would make that company outstand or better than other companies. And when you study the inside of the company, we're looking at the company cap, and I like the medium cap company and the large cap companies. You know, uh, I would look at also the performance of the company over a 5 years period and analyze that. See how they doing over five years, how they've been doing. That is important. Also, the cash flow, the share earnings, how is their shares are doing? Are they making money? Also, you can look the inside shareholders. The more inside shareholders, the better. Means those people who works in that company, they feel they have a good company, so they buy more of their company stocks. But that doesn't mean it's a bad company if not much insider in there. You might notice some institutions buying these stocks also. That like some banks, they buy some shares, in some large companies and stuff like that. And I would watch the stock for that company for at least a month, and that will give you a good idea when to buy and when to sell. At what point it's secure to buy, and what point to get out, because you're there to make money, not to lose money. The volume trading for that stock is important. I myself, I wouldn't go for any company that would trade less than 500,000 shares a day. So you need a volume of trading in that company for those stocks they selling there. Which the more volume means the more people are interested to buy on a daily basis and sell. Also, you want to look for a company that sells a product or a service that people want. Like, for example, oil and gas, computer technologies like Apple, Microsoft. I know these stocks are a little bit high, but they are more secure. But anyway, what I'm saying here is you want to buy a stock that have a product that people wants to buy, and that what moves really the stock, because there is a demand on that product or that service. So you want to find a company like that before you start trading. The time issue, and that's why I like swing trading, because the stock might go down and might rises up, and you want to give yourself a time to recover, because that stock could go down, so you could hold it for a while. For me, I could hold it for a month. I don't care, as long as I don't lose money there. Sometimes I sell a stock the next day, 2 days, 1 week, whatever. It depends on what kind of money you're looking for. But what I mean by the time issue here, holding a stock at the time you're losing, that will give you a time to recover on that stock, and you go back and you start making money again. What I'm trying to say here, making money is a process that goes step by step. I'm a businessman myself. I have my own company. I just do trading on the side. So the way it works in the real life, we don't get money easy, man. We work hard for that money. We go out there, we sell a product, we do services, blah blah. It takes time to make money. It's the same thing for the trading. I mean, some people, they like risky trading. They want to make money, quickly like that, snap of a finger. But in the long run, those people, they make good money, and then they lose also big portion of money, So you might want to take it easy and just go how the stock go, and just try to be safe and not risky, in your trading, basically. So do not rush into a trade that you don't feel secure about. And most important, to determine how much money I want to make getting into that stock. Some stocks, they move pennies, some stocks, they move dollars. So it depends on how much money you have and how much money you're investing, and you might want to go from there. But I would choose secure stocks, basically, so to minimize the risk of losing money. And that's why I said I like swing trading, because it gives me the time to recover when the stock is losing. I can hold it as long as I want, just to minimize my losses and then start making money. I went to day trading. It's good, but for beginners, I don't recommend that. You could make money on day trading. I'm not saying you can't, but for a beginners, swing trading is a better deal than a day trading. As I said, because on day trading, you gotta sell your stocks on that same day, and if it's losing, you lose your money. But on a swing trading, you can keep the stock as long as you want, and that gives you a chance and minimize your risk of losing that money. As we said, you work so hard for that money, so you want to make sure you don't lose it. and that's why you're doing the trading. And basically, that's what I have to say. Just go ahead and start. I would recommend, about $2,000 right there, and just start trading maybe medium cap companies, and then you move into large cap companies, just to make sure you don't lose money. In small cap companies, people make more money, but they are more risky than medium and large cap companies. And that's what I recommend for beginners. Even for myself, I've been in business for about 15 years. And I know how the market goes. With the economy we have right now, it's really hard to make money. So you need to be careful and watch your steps as you go through trading. Thank you very much. Take care.